Hey everybody, this is Professor Jason Snart. I'll be your instructor for English 1102 online for the first 8-week session here in the spring 2011 term at COD. And I like to do these video check-in things fairly often, but they're totally unscripted and low budget, no budget, and very lo-fi. But hopefully it provides a little bit of that kind of face-to-face connection or time that we, of course, don't have in the online class as a general rule. So this makes it a little bit better, although we still, of course, don't have that same kind of connection that we might in the traditional classroom. So really the first thing that I want to say is just welcome to the course, obviously, but to really draw your attention to the fact that we're in the 8-week session, which means the traditional session would be 16 weeks, so we're literally half as long, so twice as fast. So the key to success among all the usual things for any other class for our 8-week session is really just to stay on top of the work, read those due dates through in our Blackboard course, be sure you deal with any IT or technical issues as quickly as possible, and I've provided some contact information in this announcement, or in the text part of this announcement, but also in the course. You want to get those out of the way, early rather than later, because you don't want to miss units because you lose points. You can't make up that work, and it's really easy to fall behind because of our accelerated pace. So kind of an early warning just to be sure you're staying on top of things and not just completing necessarily the one unit, but maybe looking a couple ahead to see how things are set up. Especially as we get a little bit further in the course, you'll notice that one unit is kind of a step for the next one, which is a step towards the next one, as we work to complete the longer final paper. But even initially, really crucial that you stay on top of the units as we work through them, follow the due dates, but then be looking a couple of units ahead just to see what's due, what readings you're responsible for, what assignments, and maybe how the units are connected or are building off of each other. So that's really the only maybe difference between the 8-week course and any other more traditional 16-week course that you might take, is really paying attention to those due dates. So anyway, welcome to the course. Take some time to look around and get comfortable. You'll find textbook info. Obviously, all of the units are laid out here, due dates, course policies, all of that kind of stuff. And as I'll reiterate a number of times in these corny video things, if you have any questions or concerns, by all means, be in touch with me. I have provided my email, my Skype contact for anyone who uses Skype. It's a really good way to instant message or even video conference if you want to. And of course, my office telephone number here. So lots of ways to get in touch with me. So if you do have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate. And I'll see you virtually again pretty soon.